Small but mighty, a spark plug is a robust part of every petrol engine that generates a spark of 12 to 25,000 volts, which leads to the combustion of the air-fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber powering your petrol engine. I will be changing the spark plug of a Bajaj Pulsar in this video. Firstly, we will remove the cap, and here in this video I will be using the spark plug socket provided in the utility box of this motorcycle. We'll remove the old spark plug by firstly loosening the spark plug using an open head spanner, and then when it is loose we can draw out the spark plug with our hand. Do not touch the spark plug when it is hot. This is a stock spark plug for this motorcycle. You can note the part number if you have a Pulsar 135 LS BS4. You can observe that the gap has increased between the center electrode and the tapered tip ground electrode. With time, the standard nickel alloy copper core electrodes corrode by getting carbon deposits on them, and many other reasons like contaminated fuel, dirty air filter, excessive chamber heating, and many more. These nickel alloy spark plugs are economically viable, hence replacing is not at all heavy to the pocket. Now to fit the new one, we will just hold the spark plug in the socket and fit it with hand just like that. Once it is hand tightened, we will use the spanner to tighten it further. Do not over tighten it, you may damage the threads. Tighten it with a lighter hand just like that. Now we'll put the cap back on and secure the electrical connection. We'll also make sure the dust cap is secured if you have one, and that's it, we are ready to roll. Please subscribe and support the channel.